Hello everyone. My name is Dr. Renuka Mehra, Assistant Professor, Business Management in GCCBA 50, Chandigarh. Now, this is the last video on our basic concepts that I have already shared the 3 videos. If you have not seen them, heard them, please heard them again. As in those, what I am doing, I am explaining you what is income tax or what are the different concepts of income tax. So now concept has been covered. It is only the last portion that we must know, that is the exception to rule of income tax of previous year. Now, as you have heard my previous video, I suppose that in that I have already told you that we earn income in previous year. We earn income in previous year and we pay the tax in the assessment year. I have already told you that we have the time till 31st July if you are individual, or any date extended by Honorable Central Government or Finance Minister. Now what we have to talk? Exceptions. Exception means what are the circumstances or which are those points in which we will consider exception of previous year will become equal to what our assessment year. So let's begin with one. One is shipping business income of non-resident ship owner. See, ship owners, as every one of you know, that shipping business is a floating business. Now they float according to the waves of the water. So we cannot guarantee that a person will come back and will pay the tax in assessment year. Say one of the foreign ferry came to India, fine, they came to India and they have earned revenue from India. So they have came to India and they have got any flight, any tickets booked from India, and they are earning revenue from it. Then it is very necessary from them that before leaving the national boundaries of India, on land they will have to pay the tax. Then we say in case of person leaving India permanently, this is section 174. Now when the person has decided that he may has got a permanent residentship of another country, so if he is living India for the permanency, for permanent purpose, then it is very necessary that he will have to pay the full tax amount till the date of his taking the flight. Fine. He will not be issued, please note, he will not be issued no objection certificate by Indian government if any tax is still pending. This is section 174. Then we talk about assessment of any association of person or body of individual or artificial judicial person. In my first, I have already described you the different type of person. Now these are those people who gather, who earn profit, do the business and then go back to their respective places. So any type of income that they have earned as being together and not sure that they will be meeting again, so they also need to pay the tax in the same previous year. Then we have 2 more. One is in case of person who are likely to transfer their assets to avoid tax, section 175. Now in this what we have to discuss, for example, if a person thinks that he has 2 properties and his wife is earning less than him, so husband thinks that I should transfer my property to my wife, and if he does so and after the tax has been paid, he takes it back. So this is also one of the place where the person will be held liable, and if because we cannot guarantee, see, you are not the only person, the government has to manage 133 crores of people. So when they have to manage 133 crores of people, so they will say that I will not remember that you will not take back the property. So it is better for you, if you're transferring it to your wife, you pay the tax to me right now. right now is equal to previous year. And finally, we have in case of discontinued business, that is section 175. Means if we have decided to close the business, discontinued the business, maybe in the month of September or maybe in the month of Feb. So it is not necessary that I will wait till the 31st March. I will pay my latest tax by 29 February 2020. Whatever the remaining tax are there or whatever the tax formalities are there has to be paid in the same previous year. So with this we have covered our very concepts of introduction and basic concepts that is required for an examination. Please remain safe, remain indoors and be a warrior. All the best. See you soon in the next video.